Okay, so this is a little bit more challenging. The circuit is asking, or the question is asking VI over II. You can see this as you want to know the impedance of the whole circuit. So really this voltage divided by this current here is the transfer impedance. So it's really Z equivalent that we're looking at, which is the parallel of the 6 ohms plus the 2 Henry and the 50 millifarads plus the 10 ohms. So I can actually immediately write 6 plus 2s, which is this part here, times the 10 ohms plus 50 milli. Let's just establish that 1 over 50 milli is 20, I'm hoping. Let me see. I think it's 20. And so this is going to be 20 divided by S. So this is for the capacitor. And now I'm going to add the 2. So it's the same thing as a parallel of parallel of 2 impedances. And now I'll multiply both by S. So it's 6 plus 2s. And then 20 plus 10s. So here multiplied by S and here multiplied by S. Square plus 10s plus 20. Now it's a matter of putting these things together, or leaving them out. So I can get the 10 and the 2 out here. So it's 2 times 3 plus S, and then 10 times 2 plus S. And down here, I'm going to leave the 2 out for the S square, plus 3S. Oh no, it's not 3S, huh? It's 8S, so 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then 20 divided by 2 is 10. So these 2 are out. So now I'm going to have 10, 3 plus S, 2 plus S, and then S squared plus 8S plus 10. So here, this is for the first time we're having a 2 roots. So in the numerator, we're calling these zeros, and we're calling these poles. I'm assuming you had this in previous classes, but in general, with a transfer function, if I can see this as numerator over denominator, these are polynomials, both. And the roots of the numerator will give me the zeros of this function. And the denominator will give me the poles of the function. So very soon when we learn how to put together Bode plots, we're interested in knowing both the zeros and the poles to know how to draw those plots. For now, it's just a definition for you. Oh, yeah, so actually in the previous video I said you should turn this back to J omega. I am more than happy for you to leave this as a function of S. We'll start more and more working with this.